Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to move objects in AutoCAD. This is a pretty basic function and very easy to learn. Uh, shouldn't be too long of a lesson either, so let's get into it. Alright, so there are three main ways to move things in AutoCAD, and depending on what you're trying to get done or accomplish, you're going to want to use a variety or one or of the three different ways. So the first way, which is definitely the slowest, and definitely the one I don't recommend, but the first way to do it for beginners is to go up to the Modify box and use the Move function in there. So that's going to be right here in the Modify box underneath the Home tab. We're going to left-hand click on the Move function, and when you bring that down back to your draw view, you're going to see that a little square has showed up that's asking you to select the object you want to move. So for this example right here, we'll move the circle. We're going to left-hand click on the circle. Once we've selected the object, we're going to click Enter, and then it's going to ask us to specify a base point to move from. So this is our move point right here. We're going to choose the center of the circle, and as you can see, I can drag this circle wherever I want to now. It allows me to move it, and then when I say right here is where I want it to be placed for its final drop zone slash destination, we're going to left click, and there we go. The second way to move something, and this is the way I would highly recommend most people because it's a little bit quicker, but the second way to move something is select the object you want to move, and then you can right hand click, and then find the move um, option down on the drop down menu. Left click move, and then you can grab the item and move it however you'd like. So right here, just drag and drop right there. So the final way to move an object, and this is by far the quickest way, but it's a little bit more difficult to get it specifically where you want to. And this is, I would recommend using this if you were just moving an object quickly out of the way or just needing to move it in a general area, is you can actually click on the object, so you still have to select the object, left-hand click, and then you can actually, as long as you're not touching one of the blue points, one of the um, stretch points, you can take that and move it just like that. So we'll do that with the circle, and I can take that and just move it. So again, it's not like I can grab a specific side and move a point to another endpoint like I can with the other move functions. For example, like this, when I want to move this and grab this point and move it to that point because my snap features are on, it allows me to do that. The other way, it does not allow you to do that, or there's no easy way to get that done. This is just simply a let's move quickly and let's move it out of the way or over here. So again, quick moves for that. The other ways I would recommend for more precise moves. Alright, so those are the basic functions of moving objects in AutoCAD. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if there is something that I missed and you have a better way of doing something, please throw it in the comments section. I would love to hear it. I'm always looking for new opportunities and always looking to learn more information, especially when it comes to AutoCAD. So like, subscribe, comment. Thank you everyone for their time, and I hope everyone has a good rest of their day.